Hello everybody, and welcome back to Hugo House. And today we'll be unplugging from the modern world at the Little Lost Valley Cottage. Take a closer look at this lovely cottage located in Summit Springs Ranch, Idaho. This restored space is a 700 square foot tiny cabin designed by Clark Stevens. The cottage design is also known as the Little Lost Valley Cabin, and it was designed for the investment company Beartooth Capital. This business is built around finding neglected ranch properties, then restoring the structures, waterways, and lands, and later selling them, often with conservation easements in place. Beartooth Capital bought the cottage and property in Idaho to the east of the Sawtooths, which had no legal road access, and then put together a deal with the Nature Conservancy. The tiny house design deal added another 623 acres to the land parcel and access right-of-way in exchange for setting aside 1,960 of the 3,783 total acres. The cottage is nothing short of amazing, and you will want to take a closer look. This stunning cottage is located between Ketchum and Jackson Hole, and the Little Lost Valley cabin has public lands all around it, with natural forest, BLM, and state-protected land all around. The Summit Creek, which is a trout stream, runs right past the tiny cabin designs and just had 2 miles restored by Beartooth Capital. Right after the renovations were complete, they had already been in a rebound in the brookies and rainbow trouts repopulation. And with the next nearest building is 5 miles away, there's no one in sight. Everything about this cottage is beautiful, from the scenic mountain backdrop to its all-wood interior and exterior design. This tiny home design is rustic but has modern lighting fixtures and a spacious feeling, making it one of the best tiny house designs you will see. The use of lots of windows throughout the cabin lets in the scenic views, which are abundant in this beautiful location. Some of the smaller windows feel like nature photos, located perfectly to show the scenery all around. The front covered porch is a place you could spend plenty of time, also enjoying the scenery and the fresh mountain air. The clawfoot tub is located in front of a window where you can also enjoy the scenery. This cottage design shows how design and location can intertwine to make the best tiny house design, where you can enjoy some time away in a location you won't want to leave. With a location like this, you don't need a lot of space because your backyard goes on for days. The cottage interior design is well suited to its stunning location. The two seem to be one with its natural materials and perfectly positioned windows. Cottages and cabins like this make great renovation projects instead of building or buying a brand new cottage. It may even save some money in the long run to build upon something that is already there instead of building something new. It's always nice to keep pieces of history wherever we go and to celebrate the structures that have stood the test of time this far. And that's our video for today, and if you like it, please do consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.